Extinction occurs when species are diminished because of environmental forces, habitat fragmentation, global change, natural disaster, overexploitation of species for human use, or because of evolutionary changes in their members, genetic inbreeding, poor reproduction, decline in population numbers. Let us start with the animals. The dodo bird is an extinct flightless bird found in Mauritius. It was bigger than a turkey and had a blue-gray feathers with a blackish bill and red tip. Being flightless, it had small wings and short yellow legs. It was first seen in 1507 by Portuguese sailors. They were hunted to extinction for their meat by Dutch sailors due to its fearlessness of humans, making it easy as prey. The giant moas, a 12-foot, 60-pound bird species with a small brains for their size. They live in New Zealand without any predators, but they were spared and roasted once the first humans set foot in their habitat. Their eggs were also stolen, thus leading to their extinction. Sigillaria, extinct genus tree-sized lycopsids from a Carboniferous period that's about 360 to 300 million years ago, that are related to modern club moses. Sigillaria had a single or sparsely branched trunk characterized by a slender strand of wood and thick bark. Long, thin leaves grew in a spiral along the trunk but persisted only near its growing tip, on lower portions of the plant where the leaves had fallen off. Characteristic polygonal leaf scars remained. Sigillaria reproduced by spores of two distinct sizes. The larger megaspores produce egg cells, whereas the smaller microspores produce sperm cells. Lepidodendron, extinct genus of tree-sized lycopsid plants that lived during Carboniferous period. It's about 359 million to 299 million years ago. It grew up to 40 meters, 130 feet in height, and 2 meters, about 7 feet in diameter. During their juvenile stages, these plants grew as unbranched trunks with a shock of long, thin leaves that sprouted near the growing tip. They branch at the later stages, either even in dichotomies at the growing tip or in the lateral branches that were later shed. Smallpox is a highly contagious and deadly disease caused by the variola virus. It was estimated to have infected 300 million people in the 20th century before it became the only human infectious disease ever to be completed eradicated. Declared eradicated in 1978. Leprosy bacterium, a chronic infectious disease that primarily affects the peripheral nerve, skin, upper respiratory tract, eyes, and nasal mucosa. The disease is caused by Bacillus bacterium. Estimated date of eradication 2010.